Our next guest is another company that's making some very cool products and would love to share them with you, and that's why we invited them on the program here at IFA. Consumer Support Manager for a company called Gear4 is Benjamin Russell. Ben, welcome into Tomorrow.
Thank you very much indeed.
It's a pleasure to have you. You have some products that are not only fun to look at, but serve a purpose at the same time. Let's talk about it.
Absolutely, yeah, fun and functional. That's what we're about. We're very excited about these. This is our Angry Birds Minis. So they're a sort of evolution, really, of our bigger Angry Birds speakers that were really popular last Christmas.
Gotcha.
Our 2.1 versions of these speakers. But these funny little characters here open up, and what's really cool about them is that you can daisy chain them so that you can stick them all together at once, and they all. If you can open them.
That Angry Bird didn't want to open.
It was angry with me. Yeah,
making
absolutely.
you angry, right?
So yeah, it's got a little 3.5 jack here in the back, so you can daisy chain them all together.
Oh, yeah.
This is the Red Bird, and that's obviously the Laser Bird from the new space game.
Very cool. And the sound it's hard to hear in this very noisy environment, but the sounds coming from these little speakers are really
absolutely.
Really well. They're really good.
They are very good, and especially when you daisy chain them all up. We've got I think we've got 5 characters, so you can have them all going at once. Yeah, and we're very pleased with the sound of them.
They're a lot of fun, and of course, you guys at Gear4 are having some fun making these speakers and keeping things even more exciting.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, what is quite exciting for us is we've traditionally been known for our iOS products, and so now we've started branching out into Android with the next dock that I'm going to show you.
Yeah.
But also, these work just with a 3.5 millimeter jack, so they'll work with any device.
Standard smartphones and tablets and that sort of thing, no problem.
But
yes, let's bring us to the Android world now.
So indeed, yes. Like I say, we've always been known for our iOS products. We've traditionally been quite strong in the Apple market. But this is our first Android speaker, and what is really cool about this speaker is that it will play and charge through the USB port with Jelly Bean. So it's one of the first docks that will do that, and so yeah, we're very excited to put this out into the market.
Yeah, and the new Jelly Bean Android operating system. So you're at the cusp of the latest technology.
Bleeding edge, I believe they call it now.
Yes,
yeah.
The bleeding edge. Now, how did this happen for a company that was specifically iOS or Apple kind of oriented, stuff oriented, to then say we need to do something Android? Was this something your customers saying, we're not just iOS users, we've got other devices, come out with some stuff for other devices?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, it was really, really customer driven in the sense that I have quite a unique perspective on the business in the sense that I talk to customers all day. That's what I do, is I have one-on-one conversations, emails, text messages with our customers, and yeah, one of the biggest questions that we always used to get asked is, when are you going to do something for Android? Yeah, I really like your product, but when's it going to be for Android? Really like this product. When am I going to have a speaker for Android? And so this is what we've come up with, and yeah, we're really, really excited to put it out in the market.
And a lot of times that's coming from people like what we call Rob on our team, dorks. So it's everything I. Well, sometimes it can be other things as well.
Absolutely, yeah.
And in this case, I can see now the speaker kind of wraps around the back of this dock. So check out our ITTV video at intotomorrow.com, and you'll see what products Ben's showing as well. But these are the kinds of things we can expect more of, no doubt.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, what is quite cool about this as well is you can see the USB cable goes in the back, and it's got a little hole here, so it can come up. So you can put it in portrait, or you can put it in landscape, and you can put it in portrait. Works both ways. Yeah. Really fun product.
That's very cool. What other things are you going to be coming out with, or are you coming out with now that keep life more fun and interesting?
Well, it's all about wireless. We're developing Bluetooth products. I've got a really great speaker coming out called the House Party Portable, which is a lithium portable speaker. So you can get about 16 hours of playback out of that. So
and it's called the House Party. So right there, it's a party in a box, right?
Well, actually, all of our house-based sort of home-based speaker docks are called house parties, and our portable ones are called street parties. But this one is our house party portable because it's a house sort of style speaker, but
Yeah.
you can take it on the move with the lithium battery.
And in case I forgot to ask, what's the availability and pricing on these new mini speakers, the Angry Bird series, and that sort of thing?
Well, I mean, they're to be confirmed. They're not actually in the market yet, and
Okay.
they should be coming out around about October
So you're
time.
just
so next
teasing
time.
us.
We
but
are
maybe
teasing
another
you.
month or so.
Absolutely, yeah. Just sort of teasing you in. But yeah, these should be available in October. I believe they'll price between 29 to 39 euros.
Okay.
Something.
So it might be around $40 US, give or take.
Something not dissimilar to that, and this I believe will be 99 euros
Okay.
and around about £70, but it is still to be confirmed.
The Android dock as well. Well, we make sure you stay in touch with us, and we'll let our
Absolutely.
audience know by a follow-up that Ben was on the show, and now the products are out and available, and check them out.
Awesome. Thank you very much indeed for having me, Dave.
Our pleasure. And gear4.com is where you want to go. Gear4.com. We'll link you there, too, when you hit us up at intotomorrow.com. Ben, thanks for joining us on the program.
Thanks for chatting to us, Dave.
Back with more from Berlin, Germany. I'm Dave Graveline. This is Into Tomorrow on the Advanced Media Network.